2025 BMW M2. Starting at $66,075. Highs. Intoxicating inline 6, gratifying, satisfying 6-speed manual, sharp handling chassis doesn't break your back on the daily commute. Lows. Compromised cargo space, rear seating is best for backpacks, not people. Verdict. With a rocking twin-turbo inline 6, a 6-speed manual gearbox, and rear-wheel drive, the characterful M2 preserves BMW's classic driving virtues in a car serious enthusiasts will relish. Overview. The 2025 BMW M2 is a fully modern sports coupe that deftly channels BMW's classic unfiltered and rewarding driving experience despite the persistent march of technology. Under its hood, you'll find the brand's trademark 3.0-liter inline 6, in this application fortified by twin turbochargers that pump it up to 473 horsepower, a 20 HP increase over the previous M2. BMW says the 2,025 square meters with the manual transmission can hit 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds, but considering the previous M2 did it in 3.9 seconds in C/D testing, it's a good bet the 2,025 square meters is on track to shave some tenths. Drag strip performance, as good as it is, isn't what this car is intended for. A big part of the M2's charm is how well it tracks in longer sweepers and nips at tight apexes. It can also slip into the role of a daily driver without drama as long as your daily routine doesn't include carpooling, as the rear seat is tiny. Yes, tech plays a role, but with a nimble, inspiring chassis, rear-wheel drive, and an available 6-speed manual transmission, it's a no-cost option. An 8-speed auto is standard. The M2 continues to deliver the visceral, rewarding driving experience that will put a smile on the face of any enthusiast. What's new for 2025? BMW's iDrive system advances to the new 8.5 operating system, and the climate controls, including seat heat and ventilation, move away from physical buttons and into the 14.9-inch infotainment display. Cosmetic and control updates include a new leather-covered, flat-bottomed steering wheel with a red center marker. A synthetic leather covering is available for it, as is heating. Red accent highlight stitching is now on offer for the black Vernixxa leather M Sport seats, and the M Carbon bucket seats, previously only available as part of the optional carbon package, are now available as a stand-alone option. Personalization options grow with numerous new exterior finishes including Sao Paulo yellow, Vegas red metallic, Portimao blue metallic, skyscraper gray metallic, frozen pure gray metallic, and frozen Portimao blue 2 metallic. Java green metallic, voodoo blue, grigio telesto pearl effect metallic, and twilight purple pearl effect metallic also join the palette as part of BMW's individual paint finish program. Additional color changes include standard black exhaust tips and a silver border for the front and rear badges. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 BMW M2 starts at $66,075. It goes without saying that we'd go for the standard 6-speed manual. It makes an already great driver's car sublime. The M Drivers package lets the M2 gather more steam to a top speed of 177 miles per hour versus 155 miles per hour without it, so if we frequented track days at facilities with exceptionally long straightaways, we'd add that. The M2 is dialed in brilliantly otherwise and delivers thrills right off the dealership floor. Engine, transmission, and performance. The 2,025 square meters is pure Bavarian muscle. It's powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 rated for 473 horsepower, a 20 HP increase over the 2024 car. Torque remains at 406 pound-feet for the manual car, but the automatic gets a little muscle love with 443 pound-feet of torque. It's a nice bonus, but considering that all M2s are rear-wheel drive and the manual gets full access to all 406 pound-feet at a low 2,650 RPM, the auto sees full torque at an almost identical 2,700 RPM, we feel shifting for yourself is a worthy trade-off for the reduction in low-end torque. Of course, it wouldn't be an M car without a specially tuned suspension and various other chassis enhancements that help it to be the quickest version of the 2 Series to circle a race circuit. We found the M2 to be nothing short of smile-inducing. Snapping into turns feels crispy, the chassis helping to keep you in control, even over slight bumps and imperfections mid-corner. 0-60 mph times. During testing of a 2024 square meters with the manual gearbox, C/DS test driver hit 60 miles per hour in 3.9 seconds and covered the quarter mile in 12.2 seconds at 118 mph, and this was with the less powerful previous year model. The 8-speed automatic would likely have been marginally quicker, and that gap should stay the same in 2025 as well. This is the same engine that is standard in M3S and M4S, and the manual is its ideal dance partner, as we found with our long-term M3. We'll update this space with the latest performance results as soon as we test a 2025 square meters. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. EPA estimates for the 2025 square meters are not yet available, however, we expect little or no change from the 2024 square meters, which is rated for 16 mpg city and 24 mpg highway, 23 mpg highway with the automatic. The 2024 square meters with the manual returned 26 mpg on our 75 mph highway fuel economy test route, beating its estimate by 2 mpg. For more information about the M2's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside, the M2 features the same layout as the regular 2 Series coupe. Passenger space is plentiful for front seat riders, but those relegated to the rear may be wishing you had sprung for the larger 3 Series sedan. There's a new flat-bottomed wheel with a fresh tri-spoke design, and a new upholstery combo black with red stitching is on offer. Opt for the carbon fiber package, and a layer of the stuff is draped on multiple surfaces of the M2's cabin, and the sport seats are swapped out for more aggressive body-hugging buckets said to save 24 pounds. For 2025, the weight-saving carbon seats in the carbon fiber package are also available as a stand-alone option. Infotainment and connectivity. A digital monolith of a screen sweeping across the dash informs the driver of every bit of data they could possibly need, and probably a few things they don't. A 12.3-inch display behind the steering wheel serves as a reconfigurable gauge cluster and seamlessly transitions to a larger 14.9-inch touchscreen that provides access to BMW's 8.5 proprietary operating system, the latest version of BMW's xdrive infotainment system software. The update also moves all climate control functions, including seat heating and, if specified, steering wheel heating to the touchscreen, but they can also be operated via voice command. Navigation is standard, and a head-up display and 5G connectivity are both optional. Safety and driver assistance features. All M2s come with basic driver assistance features such as automated emergency braking and adaptive cruise control, but if you want more advanced tech, such as a stop-and-go feature for the cruise control, you'll have to pay extra and opt for the automatic transmission. For more information about the M2's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking, standard lane departure warning, standard adaptive cruise control, warranty and maintenance coverage. Compared with its direct competitors, BMW has equal or better warranty coverage. Specifically, it has an unrivaled complimentary scheduled maintenance program. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles.